Welcome back to our legal tidbit update. This past Wednesday, an American Airlines jet and a military helicopter collided right over the Potomac River in Washington, D.C. Tragically, 67 lives were lost. The collision has left the nation in shock and mourning, highlighting the devastating consequences when something goes wrong in the air. The American Airlines jet was on a routine flight, carrying passengers who had no idea their journey would end in disaster. The military helicopter, on the other hand, was engaged in a critical training mission, adding another layer of complexity to the situation. The collision occurred in broad daylight, right over the Potomac River, a busy area that is usually bustling with activity. The impact was so severe that debris scattered across a wide area, making recovery efforts even more challenging. In Washington, D.C., the aftermath of the collision has been felt deeply. The loss of 67 lives is a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of stringent safety measures in aviation. Recovery efforts are underway, with the Army Corps of Engineers working tirelessly to retrieve wreckage from the river. Their dedication and hard work are commendable, as they face the daunting task of piecing together the remnants of the aircraft. Working day and night, these engineers are lifting wreckage from the river, often in difficult and dangerous conditions. Their efforts are crucial in helping investigators understand what happened and in providing closure to the families of the victims. So far, 55 victims have been identified, but the search continues. Divers and search and rescue teams are combing the river, hoping to find any remaining victims and pieces of the aircraft that could provide vital clues. The black box has been recovered and is being analyzed by the NTSB. This device is critical in understanding the final moments before the collision, as it records all flight data and cockpit conversations. The NTSB's analysis of the black box will be key to understanding what went wrong and preventing future accidents. Their work is meticulous and thorough as they piece together the events leading up to the tragedy. This investigation will not only help in understanding this particular incident, but will also contribute to improving overall aviation safety. Lessons learned from this tragedy will be used to enhance protocols and prevent similar accidents in the future. The helicopter was on a doomsday training mission designed for evacuating senior government officials in the event of a national emergency. These exercises are critical for national security, but they also come with inherent risks. The mission was part of a larger effort to ensure that government operations can continue even in the face of catastrophic events. However, the collision has raised questions about the safety protocols in place during such high-stakes exercises. The air traffic control staffing has come under scrutiny, as only one controller was left to handle both planes and helicopters. This has sparked a debate about the adequacy of staffing levels and the pressures faced by air traffic controllers. The lone controller was under immense pressure, juggling multiple responsibilities in a high-stress environment. This incident has highlighted the need for better support and resources for air traffic controllers to ensure they can perform their duties effectively. Families of the victims gathered by the river looking for closure as this heartbreaking investigation continues. The emotional toll on these families is immeasurable, and their grief is a poignant reminder of the human cost of such tragedies. The community has come together to support the grieving families, offering comfort and solidarity in this difficult time. Memorials and vigils have been held, providing a space for collective mourning and remembrance. This tragedy reminds us of the importance of air traffic safety and the incredible work done by first responders and investigators. It underscores the need for continuous improvement in safety measures and protocols to protect lives. The dedication and bravery of first responders and investigators are truly commendable. They work tirelessly, often putting themselves in harm's way, to ensure that such incidents are thoroughly investigated and that lessons are learned. If you found this update important, smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal tidbits and updates. Your support helps us continue to bring you critical legal news and information. Stay connected with us for the latest updates and in-depth coverage of important events. Follow us on social media to stay informed and engaged with our community. Until next time, y'all, stay safe out there.